100 Singapore dollars. So that house was tenanted by the husband because she was not coming for a year. There's a building called Keppel Bay. I'll give them a same 3-bedroom house in the same condominium. That's I've said so on the affidavit. And she's saying, no, I want that only, but that will be vacated. And we have told 3 international schools, they have agreed to give us admissions from 5th of January. And here also the children are intended.
We filed our IA, which is 319-333 of 2025, which we filed yesterday, where we have outlined all the conditions that we had discussed earlier also, and we had submitted before our lords. The issue was with respect to the matrimonial house being where the children would be raised, because they've lived there. They have their memories also attached to it. My client is also present virtually. They are saying that since that house has been rented out, they are going to provide some other flat. I've been told that it will be in the same building. However, my client wishes to say something about that particular house. That's one. Second, with respect to the maintenance amount that they are saying, it's some 2,700 Singapore dollars and some 3,000 Singapore dollars, which is what he's saying. When he filed a maintenance related point in his application before Singapore, he was claiming some $8,000 from me, saying that that's half of the amount that is required for children. Now he's only offering some 5,000 to me, which is not possible looking at the cost of living which is there in Singapore. There is also some areas of maintenance which is adding to about 70 lakh rupees, which he's not paid. He's not mentioned anything about it. So if my lords would have the page where I have noted down all these points, we can go one by one and decide, or however my lords pleases. Or should they want to file a reply to my affidavit?
The children have which citizenship?
US and Singapore citizenship.
No, I want to clarify, there is no Singapore citizenship. I have gotten
You can't
Uh,
speak like this. This is in a court of law. You have a counsel there. We are asking your counsel a question. They are American citizens.
My lords, they are US citizens.
No, passport, see, citizenship passport. Go ahead, but
And there's
certificate. Where is the certificate? We have the certificate.
And my lords, the current academic year in India gets over only April of 2026. They are mid-session. So my lords, it's only a matter of about 3 or 4 months. And then they can relocate, subject to whatever my lords directs us to.
Now, what did the High Court say?
One of the High Court dismissed my habeas corpus because she also filed a custody petition in Singapore. I also filed. She succeeded in the family court. We went to High Court. High Court directed both the children to go back and gave the orders of maintenance, everything, because she filed for divorce and custody both. Decree Nesai has been obtained. Decree absolute has not been obtained. I am not going ahead with the decree of divorce.
My lords,
So, if my learned friend
My-
permit, page 302, the High Court order of Singapore is there. She invoked the jurisdiction of the High Court of Family Court of Singapore, and in appeal, these orders were passed. And my lords,
They
these,
are giving you the custody.
no.
No,
Custody will be with her.
It's already-
Can I, if my friend, it will be a joint custody. She will come there. The children will stay here. If she refuses to come there, then the custody will come to me. Page 302. Everything is there. All the provisions for maintenance, house, school also have to bear. Everything. And my lords, I paid about 15 lakhs as maintenance. The order said if she doesn't
What
get
did
the
the High Court say?
my lords, the High Court says that habeas corpus cannot be entertained. Absolutely wrong to the law laid down by your lordships.
my lords, the High Court held that it is primarily the mother
My lords, your
who is
lordships
giving
consider-
her- that she should have the custody since she is
No,
living
she has
here
no
and-
greater right. She
My-
has no greater
my-
right.
My lords may have paid.
All right, let her remain here.
No, my
Let the
lords, she's
children
willing
be-
to. She's willing to relocate
No,
to
let
Singapore.
the children go there.
My lord, she's willing
Then
to
let her
relocate.
remain here.
My lord,
That's no problem.
we've
She
been-
can have the
My
children. She can come and have visitation rights
My
like
lords,
these.
my lords, she's completely maintaining the fact that she wants to relocate with
Then
the
let her
children
go.
to Singapore. That's all that
See,
she's
there
saying.
is. You can't say this house only, that house only. There are difficulties.
My lords,
The problem is not the house. The
My
problem is the home.
I completely bow down to it, my lords. The only issue was that they had all along for the
All
past
right,
1 year.
we will say that
Page
let
three.
the children go and join the school on January 5th. She can
Yes.
remain here.
No, my lord, she's willing to relocate. She's
Then
never said
we'll
that she doesn't
make a
want to.
statement, we'll pass an order,
My lord, she
dispose,
wants to relocate.
then
That's
we'll dispose it off, but it should be without conditions.
Well,
You said not that house, this house.
no, my lord.
This
The
one, that
matrimonial house, my lords. The matrimonial house.
See, that house is not available. We are talking of a home, not house. It is to have a home now, not a house.
That will be a temporary accommodation again.
All right, if you are not interested, send back the
See,
children.
she's completely aligned to moving to
Then you
Singapore.
can't
with the
have
children, my lord.
conditions like this.
my lord,
See,
state,
between a husband and a wife, there can't be conditions like this. Because
My lord,
the
he's
court
imposing
cannot
all the
have-
conditions, my lords.
How can you have a marriage with conditions like this?
My lords, he has already got Mariva injunction. He's
But
frozen
it-
all my bank accounts there, my
Send the
lords.
children, send the children.
302 is the order, my lords. The Singapore High
And
Court.
once we complied with,
If
The 302 page, my lords, that the High Court
my
order
lords may
of
just
Singapore.
drop the IA that I have filed, my lords, which have got only
see, we are
broad.
saying he is going to be a visiting husband.
My lord,
What more?
she's agreeable to it, my lord.
Then
She's-
let her go, proceed September,
Then
January
would-
5th, let
then-
them go there.
My lord,
Not that house, this house, these are all untenable objections.
it was only
No,
about the
forget
matrimonial
about all
house, my
that.
lords.
No, we'll pass an order, January 5th, they will go and join that school there. If she wants, let her go.
Minus-
If she feels insecure there, she need not go. She will have visitation rights and the children will go to
My
the
lords, the
father.
school also has not
Yes.
been decided so far.
My lords.
It's only given, he is only just now
The
telling.
order gives custody to her, and I will have to apply to Singapore court to get visitation and custody. The order is in her favor at 302.
My lord,
Everything is goes to her, my lord.
do not
The house
have
goes to her.
long-term
Every
visitation.
time he has to come and meet the children.
My lord,
See,
she's willing
We
to.
have spent a lot of time on
My
this
lord,
case.
she's willing to relocate. My lords
Then
have,
we'll record,
my lords have,
record that. January 5th, let them attend the school there.
then my lords would also indicate about the interim maintenance that he's going to pay to her.
No, that is given.
$5,000 that he's saying, my lords, $5,000 is.
All right, he will pay something. It's not restricted. Once he finds,
But my lords,
is he not interested that his wife and children have to be looked after?
my lords, he is completely, I bow down to it.
That
He
will
has
be the
taken
minimum.
some
We'll say
16
that is the
crores.
minimum.
He's taken some 16 crores from my account. He may just refurbish that. He may give back my money. He may remove the freezing orders which are imposed on my account on my retirement fund. My lords, also there has to be mirroring orders because I've got a Mariva injunction over there. I'm not even sure if there are warrants which are
See,
issued.
if you are having difficulty in joining the husband in
My
Singapore,
lord,
let her gladly stay in her parents' house.
no, my lord, she wants
Send
to.
back the children. There is
Lord,
no
she-
harm. You have
my
a
lord-
long distance marriage. Let the children be with the father.
lord, she's She's
you can
completely
readily stay in
willing
your
to
parents'
relocate,
house.
my lord.
The grandmother is there. The paternal grandmother is also there in Singapore. Everything is. And my lords, one more thing.
Grandmother's
My lords,
in Dwarka.
the Singapore gave her 2,700 for the children. I am over and above giving 3,000 more.
My-
She's working.
that is-
Her income tax
that is-
return shows 2
My-
crores,
my lord-
1.7 crores.
Tell us whether she is willing or not.
My lord, she's willing. She's available on
Yes,
this.
then by
she's-
when is she going to Singapore? Tell us the date.
My lord's
Not this house, that house,
Would my
all
lords
these.
then? Would my
See, she need not go.
no? My lord, she's willing to. She's
No
willing to.
wife need go with the husband,
I-
provided if we get an impression that the husband is going to look after the children, the father, we will send the children to the father.
My lords, it's only because of your lordship's intervention that she has
Equality,
reached that stage where she
equality.
wants to relocate. My lords.
Equality, they say no. Let the father look after the children.
My lords, then he has to make the payments also, which are
Brother wants to ask.
my lords.
She is repeatedly saying her amount from her own account has been taken away. What is your answer for that?
My lords, with due respect, I say that was gone into. Nothing has been taken by that. She has also taken about. There was a joint account of both. She has taken about 20 crores. She has taken and transferred to her mother and everything. He had also. My lords, I'm not saying both. It was a joint account. It was a joint account. And my lords, she's an MBA from Howard. She is right now also having a
much
job.
more than what I
All
am
right,
because
we are not going to spend
My
more
lords,
time.
my lords,
We
my
will
lords.
say it's up to her to send the children and
My lords,
stay
she's-
back in
No, my
in
lords, she's
Hyderabad.
willing to. She's
All
willing
right,
to
learned
relocate.
counsel for the
My lords,
respondent submitted
may I
that
just
the respondent is willing to
May-
relocate at Singapore along with the children in terms of what has been stated by the
Honorable
affidavit of
High Court of Singapore, dated 28th of February
That order
2024.
has attained a finality.
Yes, my lord, she did not appeal that order.
There, my lords, but because
28th of February.
In a-
I was
in
not able to
accordance-
file an appeal against that order, my
In
lords.
accordance with the order dated
28th of February 2024, passed by
28th
the,
of February 2024. The petitioner has also filed, what is that called? Affidavit of
undertaking.
before this court. The terms and conditions of the said undertaking shall be construed as the minimum amenities and facilities that would be provided by the petitioner to the respondent wife and the children in the event she locates at Singapore.
Yes.
Would my lords then also indicate about the maintenance area, which is about 67 lakh rupees,
maintenance?
my lords? He's taken all
He's-
the money. It's there is
Don't
no
I-
order, my
don't
lords.
add
Sing-
to it. See, once they start residing together, husband and wife, everything will
My lords,
vanish.
he's taken away
Why are
everything
you
that she
insisting?
earned.
Why are you insisting on
My
the
lords, it is
litigation
only for
between
the-
them? Keep it aside for the time being. She may not want it after some time.
My
Leave
lords,
it at that.
okay,
We are not saying anything. We'll keep the matter pending.
My
We'll
lords.
see how it is.
my
It
lords.
was on
We are
5th.
telling, we earnestly request learned members
My-
of the bar, if parties are going to come together, all this maintenance, arrears of maintenance, everything will vanish. So do not go on insisting on this. The more you insist on this, they will never come together. For the time being, keep it. We are not saying setting aside, keep it in abeyance. Let them come together, the family. Your
Would my
rights
lords-
will not go anywhere.
Would my lords think
If they can't come together, let them fight as they want rest of their life. We will give a clean chit to them. We'll dispose of the matter. We are not treating this
My-
as a file.
my lords, in
We
all
can treat
earnest,
this transfer petitions in our court. We are not treating it as a TP.
my lords,
And this
My
is an
lords-
SLP. We are not treating it as an SLP.
my lords have
See,
spent
we
considerable
request
amount of
the
time on this,
members
my
of
lords.
the bar to understand what is passing in the mind of the court and try to bring the family together. Keep it in abeyance. If you go on insisting on an order for 16 crores, and that he will not meet, she will not get, their coming together will not happen. And what fault is of the two minor children to have a broken home? You explain. Both of the parents have to explain. Why have they let them children to come from a broken home? Well, what is their fault for having been born to this set of parents? Money is not the thing. Why should they have a broken home? Background is the question. People, if we want to be very, very sarcastic, we can say people with no money have all the love and affection in their house. They will eat from one bowl and one plate, and with all love and affection. People with money and only thinking of money and nothing else, there will be no love lost. Family will be dissipated like this. And what fault is the children? Keep all that aside. If she is willing to go, why are you insisting?
My lords, it's only
We
at the
are-
instruction of my client. I am
No,
insisting.
you should advise the client. Keep
My
it
lords-
aside. Try to
My
join.
lords, we have,
We know your difficulties also, but we are saying this in the presence of the clients also.
my lords,
They should not mistake you for not bringing it up to the court.
my lords.
Yes.
Now would my
We
lords,
are not saying anything. You further things you decide, let us see.
No, Milords, 5th, they will travel. I'll arrange for the tickets and everything, Milords. So I'll
These are
give
also-
them.
my lords,
Milords, they have.
don't
The,
belong to-
can I say something? US passport holders, they have got the citizenship of Canada. They Singapore. They'll go there. They'll get the passports also because dual citizenship. And there, a US passport holder is not required.
Mr. Counsel, ultimately she must feel safe
See,
to be in that country along with the children. What are the steps you are going to take for her safety and for the safety of the children? Not only safety, but also monetary. Monetarily, they must be comfortable.
yeah, Milords,
Would
that's
my
what I'm-
lords
can I
record-
submit if my learned friend will allow me?
my lords,
can I?
just
can
record
I-
something to that effect, my lords, in terms of.
Milords, I have said in my affidavit of undertaking.
It's a minimum which will be
Yeah.
minimum.
Minimum.
What
That's as per the affidavit, Milords, I've said so. There is no order of maintenance to her. I am giving her 3,000 apart from the children.
That is not the
Separate.
maximum, it's the
Yeah,
minimum.
that's separate. I'm giving her apart from an order
My lord,
because
next
my lord, she
transaction.
should feel comfortable
Also,
and
no
all the
2,000
expenses,
$4 is
school,
nothing, my lord.
everything, medical insurance, everything is taken care of. That is given in the affidavit of undertaking.
How much money you want?
My lord, we've only said that
Tell
he
how many-
asked me to pay some 9,000 Singapore dollars. He's only paying me 5,000 Singapore dollars.
That's
In
all
the
right.
same proceeding, he's asking for 9,000, my lords. Isn't that if
So how much you want, you
my
tell?
lords, the same amount that he asked me, he should be paying me the same amount at least. That much he should be doing, my lords.
That
He's
don't
only
go
giving
by that, otherwise how much you want?
my lords. Would my lords then ask my client because she is the
We are
better
saying that
best
is the
person to.
minimum, we are saying that is the minimum. After all, if he's got some kind of a, you see, feeling for the wife and the children, he will not restrict it to that. He will definitely, something is required for the house, something, he will have to do that.
I'm in my lord's hand. My lord's the only
Therefore,
issue
we are
is
telling
that
the advocate that, to impress upon your
knowing
client.
the history
that
which
is
has
the
happened, my
minimum.
My lords, and everything, electricity, maintenance, everything is looked after.
All that you have written.
all the children.
Yes, I have looked. My lords, I will taking care of medical
Then, my lords.
and amenities, school, everything.
See, I will tell you one thing.
My lords.
Suppose there was no litigation between the parties, with whatever little income that he may be earning, he may be, in a capacity. Suppose there was very little income this family had. Would they not have lived within that?
My lords,
Now,
most of-
because there is a litigation, can there be demand monetarily like this?
my lords, he's making over $2 million. He's a portfolio manager,
Why?
my lords.
He not,
The only thing
for
that he
whom
was
is he
saying-
earning, madam?
He has
At the
taken-
end of the day, for whom is he earning?
He has taken money from my accounts. All my
All
accounts are frozen over there. Would my
See,
lords
that
then
will all
indicate
back,
about
that we are
unfreezing
not
of my
touching, we have
account?
not denied that, we have not
Would
said
my lords
anything.
then please, my lords, would then
If you say
report-
unless you pay this 16 crore, I will not come.
I'm not
He
even
will
on
neither
that.
pay,
My lords,
she will neither go.
if he can only unfreeze my accounts, which are there.
Whatever
that-
it is, you see to it. We
Yes,
have
my lords, we,
Would my lords just record that in the order, my
we
lords?
don't know anything, we have not.
My lords, accounts are frozen. We've put
no,
all of
my
those
lords,
documents-
they both had filed litigation. There were the joint accounts because she had transferred money
My
to her
ex-
mother. That is why. Thereafter, the
all
Singapore
of
court,
them
where she invoked the
Still
jurisdiction,
frozen, my
she filed for
There's
that.
Mariva injunction, which is
So-
operating against
Yeah,
my
we are
lords.
not, now next case, please, that's all
Yes,
we
my
have.
lords, by fifth they will go.
Returnable
Yes,
date.
they will-
Then would my lords still give me a returnable date, my lords?
My lords, fifth, they'll either arrange the tickets and everything. My lords, so fifth January.
The fifth, they have joined the school there.
Yes, no, there the- I've got
all
this-
the other things. The details with regard to the travel of the.
Yes, I will give it that.
The school,
With regard to
the
the travel
entire
of the
expenses,
respondent and the children to Singapore.
Yes.
And all other ancillary.
Relocation expenses, my lords.
expenses Shall be discussed.
Everything they have agreed upon.
They
my lords,
shall
they
be
have not
discussed
in the
between the,
undertaking, my lords. It's
Council.
clear.
between
The
the
undertaking
learned
is
councils for the
extremely vague, my
respective
lords.
parties.
Yes, yes.
So that let that be in abeyance, 16 crore or whatever crore,
My lords.
all the crore
But would
in abeyance.
my lords, would my lords then still give me a returnable date so that we can apprise of whatever the situation?
They have to go by fifth. At least they'll not go.
See,
Then
Check
that
the
both
January-
discuss.
My lords, but the date should be there fifth. Otherwise, they will not. With due respect, they'll not go. That's what I'm
my
saying.
lords, that's not what we can do.
And please have a chance to speak.
My lords, she's present
No,
online.
because when can she go?
My lords, I will have to take instructions from her. She's available online. My lords can
Yeah,
So we'll
please
keep it
have a
on
chance to
Wednesday, list on Tuesday to
Tuesday.
inform.
My lords,
Let us see on Tuesday.
Can it be Wednesday? If you
Alright, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
List on Wednesday, give the date.
I'm grateful, my lords.
Get the rest of the instructions.
My lords.
Otherwise, let her be prepared to send the children and she can merrily be in
No,
India.
my lords, she's completely
Yes,
willing.
yes.
She's understood what has fallen from my lords.
Yes, yes.
I'm grateful, my lords.
She can go on filing litigation.
No, my lord, she's completely
Yes,
not
yes.
interested.
We have
My
to be
lords.
sarcastic sometimes.
My lords.
Yes.
Grateful, my lords.